This is Rambo from Grateful Dreads and Threads. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to install your hair falls into one ponytail instead of two. So what you're going to need is two of these hair ties. You put your hair in a ponytail and you twist it into a bun. And then you secure it with your second elastic. You take your hair fall, or one of your hair falls, figure out which side you want on top, and face that part. I want this side, so I'm going to face it down and tie it around my bun. There's one. Take your second fall, do the same thing, figure out which side you want on top, and face that side down. And you're going to want to put it underneath, so you can see, just underneath the one you already put on. And tie it. And then you flip them back and place them, adjust them to where you want them to be, and you have one ponytail, which makes it bigger than using the two. And that's how that's done. So, if you have any questions, you can message me on Facebook. And if you would like to purchase some falls, you can also contact me on Facebook. Grateful Dreads and Threads. And I make wool falls and yarn falls. And sometimes I can do a set of ribbon falls. It's a little more expensive because it uses a lot of ribbon. But that's how that is done, and good luck.